Welcome to another Dishes by Me video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make the legendary cheese sauce from my barbecue beef lasagna video, which if you haven't watched yet, you should really go check out. Anyways, this sauce isn't only good for lasagnas. It's a great dip, it's a great filling, it's just a great sauce overall. So you should really learn how to make this. Well, I think that's enough background, so without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, so the first step is to heat a medium-sized pot on a low flame. To the heated pot, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter and wait until it is melted completely. When this is finished, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of flour, and whisk until the flour and butter are combined and golden brown lumps are formed. To these flour and butter lumps, we're now going to add 2 cups of milk, preferably low fat. Then stir until the lumps are completely dissolved in the milk. At this point, we're going to bring the mixture to a boil and stir occasionally until the mixture thickens. We're almost done now. All we have left to do is add our seasonings and stir in our cheese. So to the mixture, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of white pepper and stir until combined. Finally, we're going to add the most important ingredient, the Parmesan cheese. Add 1 cup of Parmesan cheese in thirds to prevent any lumps from forming. And if you notice any clumps of cheese, ensure you press them out to create a smooth mixture. Add the final third of Parmesan cheese, and that's it. You've successfully created a beautiful Parmesan cheese sauce. If you've made it to the end of the video, I just want to say a big thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see me do next. Until next time, walk good.